Today we're gonna ask the question, how much does it cost and if we can make a clone in under 60 minutes? The time is ticking, let's go. Here we go with the sanding part of the kit. So this build is gonna be a 60-minute challenge to see how far we can get. All the prices will be at the bottom of the screen and we'll total up everything at the very end. And here we go. Today we'll be making a Phase 2 clone trooper. A clone trooper was used to fight the separatists. Oh, I just broke something. It's pretty bad. What happened is that I broke part of the bracer off because I was trying to sand too fast. Oh. Here's the broken bracer right now. You can see that that piece is pretty bad and this is just a waste of time. This has never happened to me before and this break just shows what happens when you're in a rush. Hitting the 15 mark. Let's check on Bob and see how he's doing. And here's my friend Bob. You can tell that he's working pretty hard. Here we are washing the kit. After you sand, you have to wash off the pieces. And here we have Bob again. Whoa, he just broke a sweat. He's working pretty hard. And I'm in a rush trying to get everything done here. Here we are drying off the pieces. We dry off the pieces after the sanding. And then we put them on these little paint sticks with blue tack. And we try to get everything ready for paint prep. Here we are with some $6 primer, spraying everything down. Here is us primering everything with some black primer. Finish this in record time. And I only let it dry for 15 minutes. That's a horrible idea. Don't do that at home. You can see the timer. We're hitting towards the 30-minute mark. Halfway through this build challenge. I don't know if I'm going to make it in time. Total paint time is complete at 31 minutes. We let it dry for about an hour because I went to dinner. We're back from dinner now. And here I'm painting on the details of the helmet and doing a horrible job at that. Since I'm rushing, I'm trying to save some time for the assembly afterwards. You can see when I just peeled off that visor, it wasn't even dry and there's like a white line in the visor. I'm a little pressured for time right now, so I'm just trying to rush everything as fast as possible and still make it look semi-okay. Using the white paint to touch up all the other details that I messed up pretty badly. You can see that the black paint is completely off here. Coming down on the wire. We almost only have 20 minutes left. I think this part's gonna take the longest. Feeling a little stressed here. So much touch-up to do, yet so little time. And you can see because I didn't let the primer dry enough, some items were flaking off. Let's check on our friend Sam and see what he's doing. Okay, back at it. Still working on the helmet here. Time is almost up. Good enough. Ready to move on. Here's the new body. There's the body price. The suit also costs about $15. Putting in the feet right now, trying to do the final assembly. Coming close onto time. We're at the 15-minute left mark. Putting together the chest, gluing on the straps. Making sure they fit together. Now putting on the shoulder pads. Putting on the arms. 10 minutes left. It's crunch time. Can we make it in time? Now we're gluing back on the belt. We're gluing together the belt, making sure that that fits together nicely. Still gotta glue the other side here. Putting some tape to hold that together so that I don't have to hold that with my fingers. Gluing the other side of the belt. Taping it down. Popping on the helmet. And we're calling it done. Here we go. Total time, 53 minutes. Total cost, $62.50. This is a 1/6 scale clone trooper, great for backfilling and army building. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.